Hi, can you guys please tell us your names?
I'm Danny.
I'm Marissa.
What school do you guys go to?
Hope Christian High School.
Do you feel like other schools stereotype your school a little?
Yeah.
Like
Quite
how?
a bit, actually.
How?
That we're like goody two shoes and all of us are Christians and we all follow the
Hypocrites.
rules.
We're hypocrites.
Yeah, hypocrites.
Do you feel that these stereotypes are true?
Half and half, I guess. Like some of us are like strong Christians and want to like follow God, and some of them just could care less. So
So do you guys hear stereotypes about other schools within your school? Like,
Here and there.
here and there, like I don't know.
A lot of Laqueva stuff.
Yeah,
A lot of
Laqueva.
Laqueva.
what other
Alexandria
names?
Prep. What other?
Huh.
I don't know.
So do you feel like these stereotypes? Oh wait, never mind.